Burning belly fat. The essentials, we're diving into how to burn off belly fat as effectively as possible, especially for beginners. I'll break it down for you into 5 key tips so that you don't get overwhelmed or hit a frustrating plateau. Why go keto? The goal of the ketogenic plan is to keep your insulin levels as low as possible. Low insulin equals maximum fat burning and ketosis, which is the state of producing ketones, a byproduct of fat burning. The more ketones you generate, the more fat, including belly fat, you're likely to burn. Top-level keto macros, carbohydrates. Keep a low 20 grams protein. Aim for 3 to 6 ounces per meal, varying based on your size, age, and activity level. Fat. Consume 75% of your calories from fat. Here are the 5 tips to get you started. Tip 1. Leafy greens over carb counting. Rather than stressing over carb intake, focus on consuming leafy green vegetables. Aim for at least 7 cups of salad per day. These vegetables have minimal impact on insulin. Use a salad cutter to make it easier to consume. Add keto-friendly toppings like feta cheese and olive oil. These salads are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. Tip 2. Protein quality, not just quantity. Aim for protein portions the size of the palm of your hand. Opt for fatty proteins, hamburger, salmon, and even sardines. Avoid lean proteins like skinless chicken breasts. Fatty proteins stimulate less insulin production than lean ones. Tip 3. Increase fat to ease fasting initially. Increase your fat intake to feel full and lengthen the time between meals. This could include nuts, avocado, and oils. The goal is to transition to intermittent fasting, first by skipping breakfast and eventually aiming for 1 meal a day.